Hello guys, Matthew Muswright here, and today I'm going to show you a quick overview / first impressions on Windows 10. This is a tech preview, build number 941, no, not 941, 9841. Now this is extremely in beta. I mean, right off the bat I could tell it's extremely in beta because there's icons that have been changed, and more notably the Windows Explorer and a couple of Windows 8 applications does crash or just freeze and becomes unusable. So just keep that in mind. But first, down here on the taskbar, not much has changed apart from this search bar, which you can search things, and then a kind of Linux-like desktop theme thing. I say thing because I don't have a proper word, but you can view both your tabs, well not tabs, windows from both screens. But if you had a new desktop on one screen, it'll do it for the other screen, which I kind of don't like. I wish they could just, like Mac OS, have one screen where you can have set, so many desktops, and you can have like only one desktop on the other display. So that is a bit annoying for me, but something I can live with. Next, I also want to point out that these two are unpinnable or movable. They're just there. I don't really like that because it just makes the UI, the taskbar a bit more cluttered, and I don't really like cluttered taskbars, so I tend to unpin in fact every single program, and I just have it all up in the taskbar. Not taskbar, start menu. Sorry guys, I have been very busy today. The installation on this Windows smoothly as Windows could go, although I did encounter some problems when I was trying to put it onto my secondary drive, and also the drivers was very hard to find. These are the drivers I'm running on. Right, there we go, there goes the drivers. Okay, we're back guys. The graphics drivers crashed and messed up my recording, so I had to restart the program. Well, as you can tell, it's very much work in progress. But yeah, as I was saying, the drivers were extremely hard to get working, particularly my Ethernet drivers, because funny enough, the onboard Ethernet is not working. I have to use an Apple USB to Ethernet adapter, which does the job, but it took me forever to find the right drivers for it. After that, I activated Windows, and things went a bit more smoothly. But there you go, it's now working more or less. And let's move on. Okay, here's the start menu, and I don't really like how this is just kind of been bolted on. It is an afterthought because it's just bolted on. I would rather have like some sort of arrow like this next to the power button where you'll just reveal these. Now, if we go to File Explorer, you'll notice he has a new icon, at least from when I was using 8.1. But that's not the only icon change, because Desktops has a new icon. So does this computer, Network, Home Group, and the Kingston. So the Kingston is the memory stick. The rest doesn't seem to have any icon changes, but since it's work in progress, I imagine it will be added at a later date. This is very similar to what you find in Windows 8. I've tested some Windows 8 apps. I haven't tested any Windows 7 apps because my data drive has gone down. It only locks into read-only mode, which does limit what I can do on it. So I am trying to get a new drive, and after that copy all the information, and then I'll try some Windows 7 applications. But the applications I've tried are Twitter, which does kind of work, but there's problems with it. It's obviously these are like programs that have not been altered to compensate for the new UI. Project Spark works fine, it runs beautifully, very spottery smooth. Twitter not so much, needs some work in progress. Anyway guys, sorry for this rambly kind of this rambling, stuttering kind of video. I'll promise next time I'll probably have something more polished and scripted up. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.